Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you an easy recipe how to make your own powdered milk from a store-bought liquid milk. The powdered milk is not always available in some countries and also is easier to store as it doesn't require a fridge. So let me show you how to do it the easy way. Here I'm using 3 liters of whole milk. It's like a bit less than a gallon, but you can use any type of milk you like. Also, you can try with just 1 liter just to start. I mean, you don't have to make that much. First, bring the milk to a boil and give it your full attention. You have to be careful at this stage to don't let the milk overflow. Then reduce the heat and let it simmer until it gets a bit thick. Stir every couple minutes with a wooden spoon or a heat-safe spatula. Scrape in the sides and the bottom of the pan. You want to make sure it won't stick, also you don't want it to burn in the bottom of the pan. Once it's thick and look like a paste, turn off the heat and spread it to cool down for a while, and then keep it under the sunlight for maybe 3 to 4 hours until it becomes completely dry. You will have to check it every 30 minutes or so to mix it. That will help it to dry quicker. Always use clean hands to avoid to contaminate the milk. Break it to make sure there is no moist. Please make sure there is no moist before we go to the next step. Put it into a grinder, fine grind, if it's possible. I didn't have one, so I just used my blender and sift it to make sure it's nice and fine. The milk powder is ready to use. As you can see, it was very easy to do. You can keep it up to 3 months, store in cool, dry and dark area. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you for the next video.